What's going on, guys? This is Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. This is going to be really quick. A few people in our Facebook group think they may have found a solution to those that don't have their hash rate added to their accounts. So when you actually check out, and I've covered this in past videos, it tells you to send exactly an amount, and then in parentheses it says plus any miner fees, meaning the amount they need is exactly what's on the screen after the miners have taken their fees out of there. Now, some exchanges like Coinbase usually add that on top of what you type in that box. Now, other exchanges like Bittrex and Binance, they subtract it to your after. They subtract it after the amount you've put in, which would actually mean that the company would get less. Now, that said, one of the guys in the groups actually used Coinbase, and he still had the issue. So I'll just show you guys. Here's two screenshots, but there's, I think, 5 people now that have tried this successfully. And what they're doing is they're taking the exact wallet address that they previously sent to and sending a very small amount. And the thought is that Crypterra may have received slightly less than they should have, thus creating an issue on your account where you're not getting your hash power. So this guy, as you can see, January 13th, this is an order confirmation email, and it says, we've got your order, and he only paid 0.022 Litecoin. I don't even think you could buy any hash power with just that amount. So he sent this small amount, and it increased his enough to where it was more than they asked for finally, and he instantly got his hash power added. Same thing here. This guy sent 0.00386 Litecoin and got the same order confirmation email with the date here, which is today. There's, I think, 5, like I said, 5 guys now that have done this. So if you're still struggling to get your hash power added, it's worth a shot. I mean, for $1 or $2 on Litecoin. Now, if you paid on Bitcoin, those transaction fees are much higher. They could be upwards of $15 to $20. So I'm not sure you want to risk that and getting that potentially wasted. But for $1 to $3 with Litecoin, you might as well give it a try. It's already helped multiple people with screenshots. If you don't believe me, go into our Facebook group. It's called Crypterra Official. I will let you in within 10 minutes, and you can see the post that's got like 100 comments on talking about this right now. So I'm going to leave it at that. Again, invest in the Crypterra with money you are willing to lose, because they are very high risk. But this hopefully will help some of you guys that have been frustrated for days and even up to a week now trying to get your hash power. So that's it, really quick, guys. I hope this works. Please put it in the comments if you try it and it does work, and also if it doesn't work. That way we can try to see, are there multiple different issues potentially here. So that's it, guys. Talk to you later. See ya.